What's going on, skiers and riders? My name is Jay Roy, and this is your Monday, December 10th snow report update for Wachusett Mountain. The snowmaking team has been working around the clock to bring you as much snow as possible, and the groomers have been pushing all that new snow around to give you the smoothest and most enjoyable ride around. Today we're looking at 17 trails for everyone from the beginner to the seasoned pro and all those in between. We have 5 lifts running, including both Ollie's Area and Easy Rider, to get you around the whole mountain with ease. The weather's going to be absolutely perfect with blue sky and sun shining, temps in the low 30s and a light wind out of the northwest. So grab your gear and get up here. Oh. I gotta tell you, snowboarding down Black Diamond with an expensive camera in your hand, whew, it's a little stressful. Don't forget, members of the Worcester Fire Department will be here December 13th for a special event, so check out our events page on the website. Alright, so now I'm here with Kevin, and I have a few questions for him. Kevin, are you skipping work right now?
Wish I was, but I'm not.
Alright, Kevin, where are you from?
I'm from Bridgewater.
Alright, and what do you love about Wachusett Mountain?
Beautiful days like this, the friendliness of the staff, and great skiing.
That's right. That's it for today. Have a good one.